So, this is my is it 92 Honda Civic EG restoration. So, blew the motor a few months ago, so I'm just rebuilding it. Yeah, it's been sitting under the trees, so it looks pretty sad. The inside needs a bit of a tidy up, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm wanting to paint this car, so I got a little bit stripped apart the front. A nice carbon wing on there. Yeah, the paint's pretty crap, so your coat will come off. Light couple rust spots like this. It's fine though. This wheel's a bit curved up from a little bit of curb action back in the day. It's a bit scary. Yeah, just need to tidy up the bay and paint it whatnot. I'm going to start off painting the bay, and then I'll practice doing that because I've never really painted before, so I'll start on the bay and then get onto the body. But yeah, so it's all legal for a V18C turbo. Got the discs on the back. This is a 1.3 litre carbon model originally. I just swapped the V18C in it and fuel injected fuel tank and all the fuel lines and whatnot. Yeah, I'll get onto this cleaning. Stage, vacuumed up. Carpet needs a bloody good clean. Need no seat for these anyway. Back seats are a bit rough. Now, time to clean this. I'll pull all these guards off so I can get a proper under the sills and whatnot. These are all just sitting here, so that'll be easy. Pull them off, give it a water blast. Get rid of all this leaves and crap. Get this ready for to be able to work on. That's that done. So, I kind of still covered in there's still little bits everywhere. It takes so long to get it off. Feels like it's just falling down as I'm washing it off, you know. It probably literally is. Oh, it looks a lot better, a lot nicer to work in now. So that'll be tomorrow. Yeah, have to sand it all, and yeah, it's the next day, and I sanded this last night. I just got to go over and give it a prime. But yeah, I'm going to pull out the heater core because this is just going to be annoying to paint around this loam. Might as well get that out. So, that's my first job for today. and get sanding the bay. Heater cool's all out. Bit of dust, eh? Get this crap out of it. Very best to pull that out. Oh, yeah, it's going to be easier to paint now. Yeah, so really it's just these bolts. I'm just going to take them out and leave the struts in. I think, yeah, that's if I leave the car here. Kind of, I have to get some sort of cover for it because, yeah, washed it yesterday and there's always all this dirt and just leaves and shit everywhere, so yeah, I'll get into sanding and need to prime up some of this as well. Give it a sand and a little blowout with the air compressor. And it's looking alright. There's a couple of spots I need to go over again. It's just couldn't see anything because there's dust everywhere. Yeah, look at them. And the amount of leaves that were inside here, inside these rails, insane. I've touched some spots up where there's a bit of rust, so just with some like rust paint. So along there, taped up or masked up all that stuff. I gotta pull, when I actually paint it, I'll pull the subframe and all that out so I can properly get down and with it all down in there. But yeah, for now, just to prime it, just so I don't rust this week. Yeah, I'll get to priming anyway. Primed up for the weekend, so I'll be able to leave it over the week and it won't rust on me. Get back to it next week. It was a bit of a successful weekend anyway. I'll pull all this tape off and go from then. Back end of this car's looking good, eh? So nice on these EGs. Got the clear tails in there and the carbon wing. Couple of rust spots, but yeah, I'll fix those up. Probably gonna take the car up next weekend and pull the subframe out, and yeah, so I can sand it down properly and get get it painted. It's a nice car put up there, so I'll be able to enclose. Well, I'll be able to close it off pretty good. Get it away from these trees. The leaves just falling on them constantly. But yeah, it's the turbo that's going on here. Nice Pulsar GDX 3582. Yeah, this is the rod that come out of the old motor. It's a bit of a bendy one. Yeah, there. This is the manifold, Speed Factory manifold, top mount. You've got the GFB wastegate, 44mm. And here, got the, yeah, it's a B18C. Got the block here, yeah. It's got some, just waiting on the bearings for the bolt, for the main bearings. Not sure, well, I'm a bit worried about the clearances on these ones, so thought I'll get some other bearings and check them. But yeah, that's all for this video anyway, so if you want to catch up with the build, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.